Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to remove a reaction from a chat message on WhatsApp using the PC app, following the latest update. Whether you've reacted by mistake or simply want to undo it, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. Ensure that you're logged in and have access to your chats. If you're not logged in yet, scan the QR code using your mobile device to sync your account. Next, navigate to the chat where the message with your reaction is located. Scroll through the conversation until you find the specific message you reacted to. Take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct chat and have selected the right message. Once you've located the message, click on the reaction icon attached to it. This icon is usually displayed as an emoji that represents your current reaction. Clicking on it will open a small menu showing all available reactions. Now, to remove your reaction, simply click on the same emoji that you previously selected. This action will immediately undo your reaction and remove it from the message. You don't need to confirm anything further. Your reaction will disappear instantly, and that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully removed your reaction from a WhatsApp message on your PC. This feature is especially useful for correcting accidental reactions or when you change your mind about expressing something through an emoji. Thank you for following along. If this guide helped you, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance with WhatsApp reactions. Happy chatting!